All right, everybody, welcome back to MojoBreak.com. My name is Jacob. Today we got a 6-box break. This is going to be 2022-23 Chrome Bundesliga Hobby 6-box break. This is going to be random team style. We'll head over to random.org to determine your guys' spots in the break. Here we go. All right, going to start by randomizing your guys' teams. There's 15 total spots in the break. Here we go. Is all the names plus 15 total spots. Couple combos you guys see on the screen. 15 total spots, though. Going to start by rolling the virtual dice. If I land on snake eyes, I default to 3. 5, 4, 9 times. Here we go. 9 times for the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right. Bayern Mooken. 9 times in the random. All right, there's the full list of teams. All right, guys, here we go. 9 times for the names. 5, 4 is 9. Going to give you guys a minute in the chat to trade. That is our new trade period time. Going to be a minute. We'll get right into it. Here we go. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, K Kren's at the top and at the bottom. Okay. 9 times in the random. All right, there's the full list of teams and names. Like I said, give you guys a minute in the chat. Otherwise, we're going to get started here. New York, New York. I want to be a part of it. All right, Kevin's asking if anybody wants to make any trades. Klabach. Maybe like... All right, guys. Doesn't look like any trades are going down. We're going to go ahead and rip here. All right, everybody. Trade period closed. Welcome back to MojoBreak.com. My name is Jacob. Today we got 2022-23 Topps Chrome Bundesliga Hobby 6-box break. Random team style. This is random team and number 3. Drew for your guys' teams on random.org. No trades in the chat. Here we go, yo. Good luck. 6-box break. Let's get it. Last break of the night. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Jeez, bro. That is nuts. Hey, good luck, Kevin. Good luck, everybody in the break. Good luck, y'all. Here we go. By the way, Kevin, appreciate you grabbing a bunch of spots in this break. Good luck again, my man. Here we go. Rookie Evandro Borges-Sanch, Bright Futures. There's a airborne two-time. You guys are going to have to bear with me on some of these pronunciations. I will do my best, though, definitely. Fabio. That is a non-silver rookie, though. Gibroso. There's a Flash of Genius Vincenzo Grifo. Sports Club Freiburg. Blue Florian Newhouse. That's number to 180. That is going to Bo Russia. Fareed. Closing that out. Bright Futures, Killian Sildilia. Flash of Genius, Georgino Rudder, TSG Hoffenheim. Silver Refractor, Musa Diaby. Mario Götze, checkerboard. That's number to 250. Eintracht Frankfurt. Frankfurt's the capital, isn't it? Auto Dejan Lubicic. Green to 99. There we go. That is going to FC Köln. That's going to PK. Congratulations. There we go. Welcome back, by the way. There we go. To 99. Keep it moving here. Bright Futures, Dominic. That's going to RB Leipzig. There's a green wave. Maciej Dalic. That's to 275. Bayern Munich. Fonzo Davies. There's a airborne Niklas Stark. And a refractor Christopher Nunko. Closing out. All right, guys. That was the first box. Domes. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Hey, Carlos. Hey, do we have batteries? Like AAA? Yeah. If we don't, I'm just wondering. I have like a light I want to use, but it needs AAA batteries. Somewhere. I could just ask Shane on Monday. Or, yeah, I'll be here Monday. Yeah, yeah, hey, I don't need them right now. All good, all good. For sure. If you don't know, don't even worry about it too much. I could just bug Shane about it on Monday, too. All right, guys, here we go. This is box number 2. Good luck, y'all. Here we go. These are really cool looking cards, to be honest. Sick looking cards. Bundesliga. Yo. Hey, this is my last one, actually. Greg's breaking that last one. Bright Stars, Nelson Weeper. Finn Becker. Kevin Paradis. Aaron Zenter. Airborne, Philip Lienhart, Sport Club Freeburg. Sadio Main, Refractor. There we go. One of the top players, I believe, right? Sadio Main. Indeed. Rookie. Marvin Duksh. Jamie Llewellyn, Arnie Mayer. Silver, Daniel Kofi. That's going to Sport Club Freeburg, by the way. Garrett Holtman for VFL Bochum. Flash of Genius. Pride Futures, Eric Martel. FC Köln. Checkerboard. That is going to VFB Stuttgart. Congratulations. That is number to 250, by the way. Auto. Here we go. Dominic's. Sobozlai. How'd I do with that one? Let's go. Took me a second. To 150, by the way. That's a tough one, man. Not gonna lie. That's a tough one, man. Nicolas Dorsch. Dorsch again. Flash of Genius, Florian Wirtz. Blue Wave, Takumo Asano. That is for Bochum 1848. That is number to 180, by the way. Gio Verena, Lauren Ulrich. Devin Shade, Tom Kraub. Wonders of Time, case hit. There we go. Pierre Litbarski. That's going to FC Köln. Killing it right now. There we go. Wonders of Time. That is going to PK. Congratulations again. There we go. Right Futures, Fareed Alidou. All right. Closing that out, y'all. On to box 3. Good luck. Ooh, and letting that one loose, man. Here we go, box 3. Good luck, y'all. This is box 3 of 6. Random team number 3. Got the club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the club, she choosing. Squad going up on a Tuesday. Here we go, good luck. Refractor, Jude Bellingham. There we go. Oh, Russia Dortmund. Daniel Kofi again. Marco Friedel. John Joe Kenny. Nicolas Dorsch. Airborne Mohamed Simakan. Bright Futures Ivandro Borges Sanchez. Marvin Dushigan. Bright Futures Patrick Osterhag. Justin Shea. Flash of Genius Rodrigo Zalazar. FC Schalke 04. Joe Scally. Jonathan Burkhart. Matthias Tell. Musa Diaby. It's a base though. Auto Thiago Tomas. There we go. That is to 165. Thiago Tomas. Thiago. There we go, man. Congratulations, VFB Stuttgart. PK, another one for you. Angelo Stiller. It's a base. Flash of Genius Marco Reus. Borussia Dortmund. Tom Kraub. Killian Sildilia. Purple Joe Scally. That is numbered to 299. Joe Scally purple. Borussia again. All right. Bino Gittins rookie. Dortmund. Jabril So. That's numbered to 230. Bright Futures Dominic for RB Leipzig. Refractor Sebastian Polzer. Airborne Felix Udokai. All right, and a Paul Warner closing it out. Good luck, y'all. Rest of the way. Here we go. See you guys. Go Nate, baby. By the way, good luck, everybody. Second half coming up. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Bright Futures for Hoffenheim. Rogel, Lauren Ulrich. There's a refractor, Lauren Ulrich, right behind it. Eric Martel, Sebastian Polzer. Airborne Maxence Lacroix, Wolfsburg, BFL. Tom Kraub, that's a refractor, another one rookie. Marco Friedel. There's a Flash of Genius for Stuttgart. Patrick Osterhage, that's a non-rookie, that's a non-refractor. Bright Futures. Gold Wave Alfonso Davies to 50. There we go, Bayern Munich. Congrats, Bayern Munich. Auto coming up. Musa Diaby. Auto, Angelo Stiller to 5. There we go, red. Let's go, baby. TSG Hoffenheim. Congratulations. That is going to J-Law. There we go, J-Law. Angelo Stiller. 2 of 5. Sheesh. Super low numbered. Congratulations. Arnie Mayer, Fractor. Maxim Luch. Justin Che. Flash of Genius, Florian Newhouse. Orange, Antone Stock. That is to 25 as well. Wow. Another one super low numbered. That's going to FSV Mains. There we go. It's going to J-Law as well. Get this one sleeved up for you. There we go. Congratulations. Killing it right now. J-Law picking up on the box 4. Christopher Randall Colu. Maximilian Arnold. Patrick Osterhage to 275. There's a Tom Biscoff again. That's non-numbered. Top 11, Jude Bellingham. There we go. That's going to Bo Rush at Dortmund. These are super short print as well. Congratulations. Moon Kim. There we go. Jude. Fabio. That's a silver rookie, or excuse me, that's a non-rookie refractor. Joe Scally. That's a Jamie Bino Gittins for another one for Bo Russia. All right, closing that box out. All right, guys, here we go down to the last 2 boxes. Good luck. Second to last box, Mojo. Good luck, y'all. Second to last box. Good luck. Here we go. Nelson Weeper. It's a non-refractor. Paul Warner. Bayern Munich. Bright future. Flash of Genius. Garrett Holtman. Ko Itakura. Purple, Eric Martel, another rookie. That's go to $2.99. Colin is killing it right now, by the way. Joe. That's a refractor rookie. David Philip Lienhart, Airborne. That's going to Freeburg. Jonathan Burkhart, Matthias Tell. Bright Futures, Dominic Spolsbosla, Leipzig. Auto, Mehmet Can Aiden. There we go. FC Schalke 04. That is going to 75. FC Schalke 04. Where are they at on the... Whoa, man. Excuse you guys. That's going to K Krenz, by the way, in the chat. Congrats, Kevin. Thiago Thomas. Florian Newhouse. Flash of Genius, Florian Wirtz. Bright Futures, Patrick Osterhage. Checkerboard, Romano Schmid. Checkerboard, that's number to 250. Tom Biscoff. Refractor, Nelson Weeper. Another, this is a sort of hyper, Matthias Tell to 230. Jenke. Bright Futures, Tomas Castanaras. Patrick Osterhage, Eric Martel. Airborne, Lucas Hernandez. Tim LaPearl, closing it out. All right, y'all, last box mojo, here we go. Indeed, Kevin, nice card. Sick hit, man. Congratulations. Last box mojo. Here we go. Last box mojo, baby. Let's get it. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. One second here. Saying I'm gonna do. Well, the cat's in the bag and the silver spoon. There's a Arnie Mayer, non-refractor, Musa Diaby, base. Jamie Llewellyn, that's another one non-refractor. There's a Derry Sherhunts, Bright Futures. Tom Biscoff, no, that's a rookie, non-refractor though. Airborne, Nicolas Sule. Philip Hoffman. Fabio Chiarodia, that is a non-refractor as well. Base, Geraldo Becker. Bino Gittins, rookie. Lucas Mecca, Augustin Rogel. Flash of Genius, Vincenzo Grifo. Kevin Trapp. That's a refractor, by the way. Blue, Dominic Spolsbosla. That is to 180. Paul Warner. Auto, There's a Jude Bellingham. That's a non-rookie, by the way. Non-refractor either base. And Riddle Baku. Congratulations, VFL Wolfsburg. Otto, congratulations. Wolfsburg. That is going to Kevin. There we go. Another one for you. That's number to 165, by the way. Congratulations, Kevin. Again, there's another look at it. Beautiful looking auto. Randall. That's a non-refractor rookie. Vondro Borges Sanchez. That is a Bright Futures. There's another Flash of Genius. Georgino Rudder. There's a green Tim Lemperl. That's number to 99 only. Congratulations, Colin. Killing it right now. Bright Futures, Killian Sildilia. Angelo Stiller. Finishing up here, guys. Good luck. Ko Itikura to 275. That is going to Borussia. Giant A's lost again. Well, shocker. Airborne, Waldemar Antone. All right, and closing it out. All right, guys, that was the break. 2022-23.